Hey, it's Kathy and Todd with Fantastic Attractions. We are here in Mount Holly and we are at the home of Isaac Alexander, and he has a YouTube channel. He loves to make decorations, his own decorations, and I'm going to tag his channel below, but we're going to get in here and see all of his fabulous, fantastic decorations. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. Here's another video you might like.